In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell digital products on your Wix website. So I am inside the website editor, and here I'm just going to use the search tool and search for digital products, like I have searched just now. So from here, you will see some different options, but we want to go all the way down to manage your store under tools and settings. So if we click on here, it will take us to the store manager, and we can add products, go to dashboard, but we're going to click on add products, and it's going to refer us to another page. So it's going to take us actually to the dashboard, and you will be able to read this: sell physical or digital products. You can choose which kind of product you want to sell in your store. So right here, we're going to click on new product, and you can choose physical product or digital file, and this video is for digital products, so I'm going to do digital file here. And what type of digital file do you want to sell? Here we have to upload the file itself. So it can be an image, it can be an audio file, it can be a document or a zip file. I'm going to do image here for the sake of this tutorial. It is going to take us to this page, and we're going to click on upload media from the left hand side and upload from computer. Here I'm just going to choose a random image that I have saved on my desktop. So once the image has been uploaded, make sure it's highlighted, and we can click on add to product. So once it has been added, we have to set a name. So we can call it NFT image as an example. Ribbon, so we can add a label like new arrival sale. So we're going to do epic sale. And then the description of this product itself that we're selling, so we can do once in a lifetime NFT image. This is just for educational purposes. Of course, you can customize this to your liking, and you can also add images or videos of this product itself, but it's a digital product and it's an image, so you can't really add much more to it. And here's where we actually set the price itself. So it converts it to your local area, but we can do whichever amount we would like. And we can also put it on sale here. So the discount percentage is going to automatically calculate it for you. And you can track inventory here or not. So if you say in stock, what is this? Stock key per unit. It's a unique code. Okay, we're just going to skip over this. But basically, once we have created it, we can click on save here. And the NFT image was saved. And now it is in stock and you can sell it. So hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.